Hello guys, Shraddha here. So in this video, I will be talking more about Quora. We have discussed basic things related to Quora. We have discussed what is Quora marketing, and what one should do to get into QPP, and what one should do if someone is already a part of QPP, and then how can you make money out of Quora? What are the ways that you can make money by creating your Quora spaces? And then how can you reach good number of audience on Quora? How can you start like getting followers or getting replies for whatever questions you have asked on Quora? So I have covered all these topics today. I will be speaking a bit about these topics, and then we'll add one more thing. Like if I say that I haven't done this anything on Quora this month, but still in this Tuesday I will be receiving a good amount from Quora. So how did I do that? The main question arises here. Like you must be wondering that how did I do this? Like I haven't done anything, but still I'm going to receive my next payment, this month payment from Quora, and that's a good amount. So I will be sharing the secret behind this. See, if you want a good, like a consistent amount, or some, like if I say 7,000, 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 per month from Quora without spending too much of time in future, so you need not to put lot of amount of time, your time in future, but you can start doing it right now. Whenever you get time, just open Quora and start questioning ask around 100 to 200 questions and leave it. Once you are asking 100 to 200 questions, I am very sure out of your 100 to 200 questions, there would be around 50 to 60 questions from where, like from these questions you will start earning. So is earning is like $0.01 today, so it will be around $1 or $2 or $10 and $100 or $200 for that matter if you are getting good engagement in future. So yes, what you have to do, you just need to ask questions today, and for tomorrow, for this month, for next month, for next to next month, these questions will help you to make your amount, make your money without spending more time or more engagement, more tactics to gain lot of engagement from somewhere else. Okay, so if I say that what is Quora, so Quora is nothing but a question answer platform where you can answer for questions whatever like other people have been asked, and you can ask questions if you have some doubts, or if you really have some creative kind of questions, so you can ask these kind of questions on Quora, and people will be asking, like replying for your question, right? So now the question arises that what if someone people your question is not going viral, and people are unable to see your question. So what do you do? What should you do? What you have to do is just follow that question, start touch on request, ask that question from 25 other set of people. There will be an option request, you need to touch it, you need to send the same request to 25 people. There would be a set of list whatever topics you have selected, and like if I say I used to reply for mostly for life experience on Sushant Singh Rajput related questions. So there would be people like suggested people of that list only. So you can send request to these number of people, and then yeah, if they'll find it relevant, or if they have enough information to share or to answer that question, then they will be sharing their perception, or they will be searching on Google, and they'll start sharing their perception, whatever they thought on whatever question you have asked. First thing is this. Next thing is, so what you have to do if you want to earn money in future without spending any time in future, you have to put a little amount today. What you need to do is, you just go to Google, write something like research questions based on, if I say physics, so there would be research paper, right? And once you will click on that research paper, a lot of people will be asking many questions. There would be around 1000 to 2000 questions based on that topic. So what you can do is, you can copy that question and you can paste it on Quora, right? And if once you are clicking on that ask question icon, so if it is already there in the Quora, in whatever suggestions you are getting, so if it is already there, if exact words are already there, so you need not to ask that question, just drop it. go to that research page again, whatever research, whatever topic you have chosen to go to research questions, go to that page again, this copy some other question and again do the same process. Once you are done with 100 to 200 question, you need not to spend a single amount of time on daily basis on Quora. Say if today I am asking 500, like not 500, 100 to 200 question on Quora, so I need not to spend time for next 15 to 20 days, because these questions are enough, right? They'll help me to earn a good number of money, to get a lot of engagement. Yes, what you can do, if you find some small time, what you can do, you just check your question, check number of followers on your question, and check how many users on Quora have been replied for your question. If you find no engagement, then what you can do is, you can click on request, you can ask that question to 25 other people, and if you are following the same process, you can get lot of attention on Quora, and also your engagement will be high, and also you can get a good profile on Quora, because people will be following you, right? If you are like, if I am asking some mindful questions, so people will be willing, they will be like, there would be some kind of willingness inside them to follow me, to get to know more about me, so they'll start following me, they'll share or they'll like whatever I am doing. So that's a great way, do it. And if you find any difficulty, just let me know. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Thank you.